Okay, give it a little squirt down the spark plug hole. Super like that the other day. I don't think we're getting any fuel into that carburetor. Well, that's annoying. I'm going to have to take that carburetor off. Get it cleaned out. Obviously got something going on there. It's not happy. Right, I'm pretty sure the inlet pipe there on the carburetor was blocked. And it was the bus getting no fuel. So let's see if she does anything now. Well, that was a little bit short-lived and a little bit abrupt. Don't know what's happened there because I put oil in it. I see that it was splashing about, but she just locked up. That doesn't make much sense at all. The block is stone cold, crankshaft stone cold. There's no heat in anything but the cylinder. Interesting. She might turn over again when she cools down, but that's a new one on me. I've never had that happen before. Hopefully we've not just smoked this engine. Well, curiosity got the better of us to see what was going on, so we whipped the head off, came off nice and easy. There's plenty of oil at the top end, some clear sides that it's been a part once in its life, I would say, and be decarbonised at least. But it was really locked up. We had to get a little pry bar in the flywheel there just to turn it over a little bit. But now it is moving over fine again. Still not quite as free, but the cylinder's cooling down now. Possibly the only thing I could really think of is that we're lacking the cooling section that brings the cold air from the flywheel to around the back of the cylinder. So perhaps it just got a bit too hot, but looks like we got away with it. There's absolutely no scoring in the bore at all, really. Nothing that you wouldn't expect to see on what is pushing it to be a 75-year-old engine. So yeah, I think we got away with that. And anyway, we were planning on completely stripping it apart. We just wanted to see it run. So we'll carry on taking it to bits, make sure there's no other damage. But the rest of the block is really cool. The crankshaft was cool, camshaft's cool. Nothing down the bottom end. got tight. It wasn't anything like that. It was really just that cylinder, for whatever reason, decided to get a bit too hot, and my only guess could be that we were lacking that little bit of cowling there, so we'll have to either try and find one of those or make one of those, so we've got some cooling going around the back of the cylinder. But yeah, I think we've got away with it.